Traveling light makes trips smoother, saves time, and eliminates the hassle of lost luggage. No waiting at baggage claim, no extra fees, and no heavy suitcases slowing you down. Here's exactly how to pack everything you need in a carry-on without sacrificing essentials. Step 1. Choose the right carry-on. Airlines have different size limits for carry-ons, so check the airline's policy before you pack. A lightweight, expandable carry-on with multiple compartments works best. A personal item like a backpack or tote bag adds extra space for essentials. Step 2. Plan your outfits. Packing only what's needed prevents overstuffing. Stick to a color-coordinated wardrobe where every piece matches. Lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothing works best. Packing versatile outfits that mix and match reduces the number of items needed. Shoes take up space, so wear the bulkiest pair on the plane and pack one extra pair. Step 3. Use packing cubes and compression bags. Packing cubes keep clothes organized, while compression bags reduce bulk. Rolling clothes instead of folding saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Heavier items go at the bottom of the suitcase to balance weight. Step 4. Follow the TSA liquids rule. Liquids must be in 3.4-ounce containers and fit inside a quart-sized bag. Solid toiletries like shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and solid deodorant save space and avoid liquid restrictions. A collapsible water bottle also saves room and can be refilled after security. Step 5. Maximize personal item space. A personal item holds essentials like electronics, snacks, a travel pillow, and important documents. Packing a lightweight jacket with deep pockets allows extra storage for small items. Step 6. Keep essentials accessible. Placing travel documents, chargers, and small valuables in an easy-to-reach pocket speeds up airport security and boarding. Keeping a digital copy of important documents ensures quick access if needed. Traveling with just a carry-on makes trips stress-free, fast, and efficient. With smart packing techniques, every essential fits without extra baggage. Next time you fly, keep it simple, pack smart, and enjoy a hassle-free trip.